Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hospitality Classes. Yeah, I am Srikar. I am there here to explain about hotel management and its career. Okay, let's get started into the topic. Yeah, actually what is meant by hotel management? How can we enter into IHMs? Actually, what is meant by NCHMCT JEE? What is its eligibility? What are the courses offered in IHMs? And what is the stipend diploma courses offered in IHMs? Let's get simply started. Before starting this topic, I mentioned you a small thing. Just please subscribe this channel and stay tuned to this channel. By that you will get more information about this hospitality classes. Let's get into the topic. What is meant by hotel management? Hotel management is a course where any people will learn how to run a hotel or a resort or a lodge or something any related like that. Okay. Nowadays, hotel management is a most popular course, a most beautiful and glamorous course. Most of the students like engineers and medical students are now shifting to the hotel industry because it has such a demand how to join hotel industry and how to get work into the hotels. Now we will discuss about its eligibility and how to join, and so the courses offered by the any IHM or other private hotel management institutions. We will discuss about its eligibility. Yeah, eligibility for hotel management is basically 10 plus 2. Actually, we also go with after 10, but it's somewhat risky or it's a long procedure. Just go with 10 plus 2 or any 10 plus 2 equivalent like diploma or polytechnic course or something any like that 6 months course or bridge courses. You can join hotel management simply. So the before you have to know about the what are the works that is offering by hotel management career. There are 4 types of works. First one is front office, next housekeeping, later that F&B, and last is food production. If you are interested in any of these 4, you can simply join hotel management by writing NCHMCT JEE. And let's get started about NCHMCT. What is NCHMCT JEE? National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, which is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency, which also conducts like a NEET and JEE. Okay, we are write a NCHMCT JEE exam, and we have if you have selected for those examinations, then you will get a seat in JEE. You will get into seat into IHMs. Yeah, you are not interested in writing NCHMCT JEE or you are not eligible for writing those exams, just don't worry. You can also get a seat in state IHMs or any universities by payment fees or something, any eligibility which you had in the state government. So simply you can join any state and central IHMs, but I prefer you to write NCHMCT JEE exam, which will give a seat in central IHM, which gives a lot of more benefits. And joining your central IHM, you have more preference, like you will go to many hotels like Taj Group of Hotels or something like any hotels for your field purpose. Field visiting also you will be going to be like a many big hotel. So I will prefer you to join central IHMs for your better career. So by joining that, after completing your bridge courses or something like 3 years diploma courses, degree, BH and something like that, you will get a job in simply any other countries or in your own country or any other islands, yeah, cruises, yachts and something like airlines. You will get a simply job with a high preferred money. So most of all the people are now turning and showing interest in hotel management career. There are 3 courses in hotel management. There is diploma course and a degree course and a master's course. Is a small course, and next degree course means a bachelor degree, and next master's means PG. There are 3 or 4 types of courses which you can join easily. After your completion of your course, some companies will come to you and offer you job placements. If you are interested in job placements given by some companies, yes, simply you can go with them. Or if you wanted to study masters, yeah, you can simply do masters. And if you want to go with the training, you can go with training with many big hotels. Or just simply you wanted to shift to another place and do their job, you can simply job. Most of all jobs preferred after completion of hotel, you will get jobs like travel industry or tourism industry, next hotels, resorts, like yachts, airlines, cruises. Not only like this, but you can have a chance to join 5-star hotels like Taj, Oberoi Group of Industries and Mahindra Resorts, Not only this, but also you can join any of the hotel industry simply by. There is a much career scope in hotel industry like manager, assistant manager, HR, F&B manager, and hotel industry manager. Yeah, you can go with your choice. You have to do a course like MT training, which can be eligible you to do manager. If you are thinking about income, yeah, it is a better course to be earn more income. Yeah, not only like India, you can go any other countries like Maldives or European countries or something like American countries, which can be you more profitable. You can get salary and more just like tips, stipends, and if you work extra time, you will get extra paid by the companies, and you will be more profitable than any other field management. It will be more profitable by now. India, its basic package is from 15k to 20k. After your completion of 3 years of experience in hotel industry, your income will be multiplied by 2 times and you will gain up to 45k to 50k, which is a much better income than any engineering companies. Yeah, if you are going to through any other countries, outside countries with 3 years experience, your annual package will be from 36 lakhs, which is a basic to 28 lakhs to 36 lakhs, which will be more profitable than you any other field. So just not only by that, it will totally depends on your experience. So just focus on your experience. If you are interested in any of these 4 fields like F&B, next food production, or any other room service, most people think that hotel management is a not so affordable course or something like it's a cheap, it's working under something guidance or working near working down by a person or something like that. So don't think like that. First I am saying you don't think like that. Hotel management is a complete course of your skill. It will completely depends upon your skill. If you have a skill, you will grow by like this. If you have no skill, you will be fall down. So don't think negative about it. Hotel management is one of the most preferred career in from team. So if you are interested in it, please go. Please, the doors are always open for you. You will go with any of the 4 fields I have said recently before. So please follow our channel for more updates.